Okay class, today this time we are going to take a social studies test.
Excuse me, Mr. Hernandez, can I use the restroom?
Yes, but please hurry back in 5 minutes, I have a class to teach.
Okay, Mr. Hernandez. I'm going to knock down those vending machines. Ha 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 ha.
Yes!
I knocked down those vending machines.
Yes!
I knocked down those vending machines.
Hey!
What the hell did you just do? Oh, no, that doesn't look good. Did you just knock down those vending machines?
Yes!
I knocked down those vending machines. That's it. I'm telling the principal about what you just did. No 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 no.
Oh my god! Virtual virus, how dare you knock down those vending machines? Now we have to put them back where they belong. Plus, knocking down vending machines can cause damage. That's it. You are suspended for 8 weeks. Go home right now.
Virtual virus. I cannot believe you knocked down 2 vending machines. You know that knocking down vending machines can cause damage. That's it. You are grounded for 430 weeks.
Go upstairs to your room right now.
Wah.